Welcome. In front of me I have Doogee S96 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can activate Hey Google voice command on the smartphone. So at the first you have to go for Google application, click on more, move to the settings, find voice and then go for the voice match. As you can see here we got the options, so we have to tap on the switcher and click next. And right now we have to say OK Google for the 2 times. OK Google.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, it's my private smartphone. OK Google. And the last one, OK Google. As you can see, it's set up.
I found these results.
Have to click finish. Right now when you say OK Google, it will be activated, as you can see. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.